Welcome to Professional Beauty India.
PBI is a hub of beauty. You have everything related to beauty right here.
I think this is Asia's largest beauty expo. So wonderful.
Fantastic.
Inspirational.
誰の七光もいらないお前のアイスよりアイス俺ばっと見できないことばっかりだけどベリーハッピーあ切れてる周り恵まれてる家族友達もう反則的タッチ君ら俺に任せとけばいい教科書にない問題集にない超パッとなましない Listen 鏡を答えちゃってプロです I'm the best of it 生身のままいけるとこまで Do the next do the each time Now singing brim bam bam brim bam bam brim bam bam boom brim bam bam brim bam bam brim bam bam boom brim bam bam brim bam bam brim bam bam boom Do the next do the each time Hey hey 俺のままでいるだけで超フィックス Hey hey 誰も口を挟めない Hey hey 俺のままでいるだけで超フィックス Hey hey 誰も口を挟ませない
PBI basically a platform where we can connect with the more number of customers. We can showcase the product, show them the quality of the product.
I think it's been really eclectic.
PBI, I think it's doing good in connecting people, making sure the technology, making sure the ingredients level standards has increased in India.
This is our very first time, and it has been nothing more less than an excitement here.
I see it every year, the size of the participation going up year after year.
Outstanding, amazing, fantastic.
Marvelous.
Professional Beauty and SMC is doing a great job in bridging the gap of the education which the market needs today.
俺のままでブリンしてバンしてバンするためにポンしてきてリボン鏡を